Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. All the guidance within. You want a rule book that governs humanity. You want instructions to guide your path. What you don't realize is you have all the guidance you need within. Although God sends us teachers along our path, every path is unique, and you have everything you need for you and for the evolution of humanity. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this. I believe that you have everything you need within yourself. What you need to do is find what that is in yourself. You need to dig deep, calm your vibrations, and you'll find it. It's there. There's lots of teachers that can help you with that. I believe everything is in you, and anything you ask for, you will receive if you believe that you will receive it. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.